about this? Ordinal scale or interval scale? What do you think? Should I go back to show you types?
Not an ordinal. The first one is not it's clever.
Why?
Because it's a kind of scale between one and two. Ordinal and extreme.
We can say this
Ordinal.
ordinal and best as well as interordinal.
It's ordinal. Because there's a best.
We can say this ordinal and also interordinal. Maybe the shoes is arbitrary.
Not equal.
What is it?
Not equal.
Not equal.
There is no zero.
No.
So we compare it to beta and best. Yeah. It should be ordinal.
But the shoes here is arbitrary. We start from M1.
If one means I disagree completely, so second is disagree.
No, disagree with some.
This is completely, this is disagree. Not necessarily completely. Okay? This is natural. In between. This is agree and this is agree completely. So you have kind of decrease.
Yes. Ordinal.
Okay, the same. Of course, there is no right or wrong answers because this kind of questions doesn't, expect you to give specific answer because you cannot determine a number. Yeah. Feeling. If you say agree, then at what ratio, for example, you are agree? Are you 90% agree? And also here, if you say disagree in number 4, how much the degree of disagree?
In
4.
four.
This is a degree.
Maybe
18, 17, 70, 18. Because here is agree. So this agree is quite something.
This agree degrees are this direction.
If you are agree at 90% here,
Agree?
Disagree.
disagree
Will be 10.
10%.
65.
So you cannot specify exactly one point. So questionnaires will be like this because especially if you are doing a questionnaire for something that you cannot measure exactly. For example, if you are measuring the awareness of people, you cannot say that the awareness of this student about safety is 100, or the awareness is about safety is 10%. You can give it a scale: high, moderate, low, very low, very high. Okay. So most of IT management surveys will be like this. So the properties of the 4 skills. Here we move into somehow into statistics. These are the properties of the 4 scales, which is the nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. The difference should the nominal give the difference between the values? Should it highlights the difference? I mean, it make everyone unique from the other? Yes, because you have different groups, you have different categories. Also for the ordinal. Ordinal also gives the difference, but how it gives the difference is the difference between them. I mean, this one is different from this one in the degree of differences, how it highlights the differences. Interval also gives the difference, ratio gives the difference, because all of them are scale. So the points of the scale are different. So how about the order? Does the nominal shows the order?
No.
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 For example, if the gender is male or female, is there any order?
Grouping.
Yeah, there is no order. But for the ordinal, there is order. For interval, there is order because it's either increasing or decreasing. For the ratio also, there is order because you are originating from 0 and going up. How about the distance? Does the nominal give the distance? No, because it is just categorizing or grouping. Or the ordinal also does not give. Interval gives the distance, but it gives it doesn't have
Zero step.
unique origin. The ratio gives. How about the unique origin?
No.
Nominal does not have. Ordinal does not have. Interval does not have because it is arbitrary. Only the ratio. The ratio has unique origin. So how are you going to measure the central of the group? If you have a group, how are you going to measure the central? In the nominal, you get the mode. In the ordinal, you get the median. Interval, arithmetic mean. Ratio, arithmetic or geometric mean. See here, it is arithmetic, but here it's not arithmetic. Because here we are just having grouping or categorizing.
No.
Yes. But here we have arithmetic because it's in terms of numbers. Measures of dispersion. All these things, standard deviation and variance, coefficient of variance, all of these are statistical things. So you need to go back to your statistics lessons and what are the tests of significance that can be used. For example, you are using t-test, you are using F-measure, t-test, F-measure, rank order correlations. Okay? So these are the properties of the size. Actually, it depends on the data you are collecting, it depends on your topic. So you can choose the better one that fits, the better scale that fits your data. And most likely you go from the literature and see how people are dealing with these variables, and how they are measuring their variables. Okay. Your assignment number 3 will be an exercise about data collection methods. Yeah, it asks you for your project, or depends on your project, depends on your topic. It is already there on the website. Depends on your topic, what is the data collection method that you use, and give an example of your data samples. For example, this is my data. Okay, and I choose this data collection method, and we choose this kind of scale. Why? Because in the literature, for example, they use it like this. So this assignment will make you search for these things. And it is 10 marks. Because it's quite deep. So you have to work very hard. Do you have any questions? go to home. Stay here. You have a battery, and I think by now it's fully charged.
The battery will finish.
Finished, yeah. Its capacity 11.5.
11. Why?
I don't know.
How much the
3 lap.
plate? صح.
2.
200.
150 150 2 من 150
300. والبطارية كم؟
150.
تكون فل يعني.
بس الصباح يستخدمه. شغل الجهاز.
ظهر بطارية مليان.